This is Dr. Anthony Kane with the Complete Connection Parenting Program.
Good evening, Mr. Holly.
Good evening. Hi, Lloyd. Been away, but now I'm back.
Good evening, Mr. Holly.
It's good to see you. It's good to be back, Lloyd. What'll it be, sir? Hair of the dog that bit me.
Bourbon on the rocks.
That'll do her.
With another parenting tip for you today. Today we're going to discuss the problem of screaming.
No charge?
Your money's no good here.
I'm the kind of man likes to know who's buying their drinks, Lloyd.
It's not a matter that...
Anything you say, Lloyd. Anything you say.
And what I mean is not your child screaming, but you, the parent, screaming.
Hi, Lloyd. A little slow tonight, isn't it?
What'll it be?
I'm awfully glad you asked me that, Lloyd. You slipped me a bottle of bourbon, a little glass, and some ice. You can do that, can't you, Lloyd?
So why do parents scream?
You set 'em up and I'll knock 'em back, Lloyd. One by one. White man's burden, Lloyd, my man. White man's burden. Here's to 5 miserable months on the wagon and all the irreparable harm that it's caused me. Things could be better, Lloyd. Things could be a whole lot better.
I hope it's nothing serious.
No. Nothing serious. I wouldn't touch one hair on his goddamn little head. I love the little son of a bitch.
The reason parents scream at their children is because, first of all, they're frustrated.
I did hurt him once, okay? It was an accident. Completely unintentional. Could have happened to anybody. The momentary loss of muscular coordination. Few extra foot-pounds of energy per second.
They feel like they can't get the message through any other way.
Little pigs, let me come in. Not by the hair on your chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. Here's Johnny.
A person must be in control. And when you scream at your child, you show, first of all, screaming is okay. It's okay not to be in control.